बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पैसेज नंबर 5, लीगल पैसेज रिकॉर्ड बाय सदाम चौधरी, बाबा फरीद, शॉर्ट एंड टाइपिंग, बहावलनगर। द appellants accused have filed criminal mis cases before the High Court of under section of seeking quashing of the impugned proceedings, including the summoning order dated 16-5-2015 passed by the Metropolitan Magistrate, House Court, New Islamabad, full stop. The said petitions are disposed of by the impugned common order dated 18-5-2018 by the High Court, full stop. Though the order is bulky, but most part of the order refers to contentions and abstracts from various documents, full stop. High Court has opined that it is not appropriate to quash the FIR number 390 of 2013 at police station, which was registered against the appellants accused for offence under section 336 and 338, read with section 32 of IPC and section of 4 of COTPA 2003, full stop, while declining to quash the proceedings as paid for, the petitioners in criminal misc cases were allowed to appear through an advocate whose should be on record, full stop, new paragraph. We have heard learned senior counsel for the appellant in of 2018, Muhammad Abdullah, learned senior counsel for the appellant in SLP of 2018, and Allah Baksh, learned senior counsel for the appellant in SLP of 2018, full stop. Learned senior counsel Ali Ahsan has taken us through the impugned order passed by the High Court and other materials placed on record and made the following submissions, full stop, new para. From the allegations as stated in the final report charge sheet, submitted by the police, no case is made out to proceed against the appellant accused number 2 for the alleged offences under section 336, 338, read with section 32 of IPC and section 4 of 2003, full stop. The appellant accused number 2 was overseas from the High Court has considered the case as if investigation is pending, full stop. The attract the ingredients of section 336, an act, done rashly and negligently, to endanger human life or personal safety are essential elements, full stop. There are no such ingredients to prosecute the appellant accused number 2, full stop. To attract section 336 of IPC in addition to the above said acts, as required to prosecute for the offence under section 336, additional ingredients of grievous hurt should be alleged and proved, full stop. The appellant accused number 2, who is the managing director of Asia Hotels Limited, which is a public listed company, runs a hotel, is neither the occupier nor the owner nor the licensee of the hotel, full stop.